This is the all-new 2022 Nissan Kicks.
So the Nissan Kicks was introduced in the year 2018, replacing Nissan Juke. Ever since then, it has wowed its customers not only with its fresh new look, but even with the improved interior, spacious cargo, and not to forget that the mileage that this vehicle has to offer. More on details as I go along reviewing this vehicle. Let me begin with the MSRP price on this vehicle.
This 2022 Nissan Kicks SV trim comes with an MSRP price of $21,550 with the options and destination charges makes it to $23,155 with the standard equipments, which is pretty impressive as listed over here. And not to forget the fuel economy, it comes with an impressive 31 in city and 36 on the highway. This is the complete look of the sticker price and the details. So yep, this is all the details. Now let's go ahead and check out the exterior and the interior of this vehicle.
So starting from the front, it comes with a V-Motion design front grille, which is Nissan's signature look. At the center, you have the bold looking Nissan emblem. At the front bumper, you have some fine chrome running that adds towards the beauty of this vehicle. On towards the headlamp, you have this fine design headlamps and a golden strap that runs from front all the way towards the rear side of this vehicle. Just to quickly show you a side view of this vehicle. On towards the tires, it comes with the fine 17-inch alloy wheels. At the top, you have the body colored side mirrors and door handles. On towards the fuel tank, it comes with the fine 10.8 gallon fuel tank capacity. Moving towards the back, this is the Nissan Kicks. The trim that I'm currently reviewing is the SV trim that stands for standard value. Just to quickly show you a complete view from the back. As I'm behind, let me go ahead and check out the trunk space. It seems very spacious, no doubt about it, for your luggages and other day-to-day items. Let's go ahead and have this closed. So yep, that was about the exterior side of this vehicle. Now let's go ahead and check out the interior of this vehicle. Coming on towards the interior side of this vehicle. On the driver's side, on the door, you have all the window controls, lock, unlock, side mirror adjustments. At the bottom, you have some nice storage space and speakers. This vehicle comes with 6 speakers. Once seated, you are greeted with this fine D-shaped design steering wheel which has a varieties of options on it, like your volume control, controls to navigate through your fine 7-inch information display screen for the driver, such as your lane departure warning, then afterwards the miles at which you are traveling, your drive computer, going through some other options that come along with it, your vehicle, your audio display, then your RPM and your general settings. You even can customize your display screen as per your preference and setting it back to home. So yep, on the right hand side of the steering wheel, you have all your cruise controls and hands free. On towards the center, you have a fine 8-inch infotainment display screen, which has a quick response that I always prefer or like. Then you have all your connection options, Bluetooth, USB apps. I'm going to the information, system information. Then you have a camera. Your display settings, contrast, tint, color. Since I'm over here, let me go ahead and check out the reverse camera or backup camera. It has a nice display. Setting it back to park and home screen. At the center, you have all your climate controls, 2 USB inputs and a power outlet, some nice storage space to keep your phone. Then you have the engine start and stop button, 2 cup holders, a small space at the armrest. Just to have a quick look at the passenger row side or passenger side, sunshade. At the top, you have the light button, and yep, that's pretty much about it, keeping it simple. So yep, that was about the front side. Now let's go ahead and check out the second passenger row seats. Coming on towards the second passenger row seats, on towards the door, you have the window control, some nice storage space for those bottles, a speaker. Moving on towards the inside, it does feel a bit compact. I would suggest this car is more favorable towards a small family size. On towards the center, you have two USB inputs, and that's pretty much about it, to be honest, keeping it simple. So yep, that was about the second passenger row seats. Now let's go ahead and check out what's underneath the hood.
This 2022 Nissan Kicks comes with a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine and has a horsepower of 122. In conclusion, I think that the 2022 Nissan Kicks is an impressive vehicle. At the upper end, it does provide good mileage on the road and does have a good amount of cargo space. But at the lower end, I think more options can be added at the MSRP price that it is tagged for. Moreover, that additional legroom space on the second passenger row seats would do wonders for this vehicle. At the end, I think this vehicle is far more suited for a small family size. So yep, that is my thoughts on this 2022 Nissan Kicks. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.